Hey everyone, my name is Rachna and welcome back to yet another pick a card reading. So, for today's pick a card reading, we're gonna look into a yes or no for any situation that's on your mind, whether it's a promotion, a raise, a conflict with a loved one, a friend, or just any work that's stuck, or anything that's been on your mind in terms of a yes or no in a situation. We're going to look into that. In addition to just looking into a yes or no, we're going to get more into a detail to see what the strength is, what the obstacle of the whole situation is, and what most likely is the outcome. Let's get started. If you've never been part of my pick a card readings before, here are your three options to choose from. The pile that you're most drawn towards is the one that has your answers. So take a deep breath, clear your mind, pause the video if you need to, and choose the one, the purple, the blue, or the yellow, wherever you're most drawn towards, you're most attracted towards is your answer. You can pause the video here, and once you've made your choice, you can fast forward to where your reading is. So we'll start with the purple. So if you chose the purple, then this is your reading. Your strength is, wow, the Nine of Pentacles. Your obstacle is judgment, and your outcome is the Lovers. Lovely. Okay. So you do feel very, very strongly towards whatever this issue is in your mind, because you have two major arcanas here, which are very, very powerful cards, along with the Nine of Pentacles, which is one of my favorite cards, and also it's a great thing that it's in the strength place. So let's get into the details. The strength of your reading is the fact that you're very independent, is that you're very self-sufficient. You don't really depend on others to do things. Whatever you do, set your mind towards, you do go ahead and achieve it by yourself. And that is the biggest strength that you have in the situation. The obstacle with the judgment is the fact that you are trying to avoid change, which honestly, we all know that is not possible. This might be something that's very big that you've been wanting or hoping for, maybe not wanting, since change is what your block is. But what essentially is blocking the situation is the fact that you're trying to avoid something that is about to change. It is definitely a big change that's coming your way, since it's a major arcana card. And your outcome is a very positive card, so this pile is a yes pile. What I'm also seeing with the Lovers is that it's a card of partnership. So maybe what is happening here is that you're very, very used to being on your own, used to working on your own, and obviously you have been successful at it up till now. But what the cards are asking you to do is maybe start depending on someone else, maybe get into this partnership, and that would be the right call for you to make. So that's your reading, pile 1. If you'd like to get a more in-depth reading for your personal issues, I'd be happy to set up a personal reading for you, and you can contact me through DMs. Okay, so if you chose the blue pen, then this is your reading. All right. Okay. So I'm so sorry about the glare. So the strength looks like you are juggling between two things, two decisions, two options. And obviously, as you can see, the water in the back, this is something that has your emotions in quite a turmoil. This has been draining in a way, but the fact is that you have done a good job at juggling up till now. So that is obviously your strength. The obstacle is the fact that you were completely drained and in definitely a need of a holiday or a break from this, whatever the situation is. It is something that's caused you a lot of stress and turmoil, but essentially drained you of your energy, and that is what the outcome is. Maybe you're doing two jobs, maybe you're thinking about if you should continue working in two directions, or just basically something you are making a choice between two options and it is causing you to drain all of your energy. The outcome is the strength card, which talks about a lot of inner strength. So for me, this is a no for now. I feel like maybe after 4 months is when you should relook into this issue. I feel like for the next about 4 months, nothing is really going to move in the situation. So honestly, the best thing you can do right now for yourself is to take a break or detach from whatever the situation is, and that should probably give you some time to raise your own energy, heal yourself, and then maybe reevaluate the situation better, because right now it seems like you're very, very close to it. So in terms of making a decision, this is not the right time to make it. It's more of a time to step away and just rejuvenate yourself. So group 2, that was your reading. If you'd like to look into this more into detail and get a personal reading, I'd be happy to set that up for you. Hi group 3, if the yellow is what drove apparently, caught your attention, then this is what your reading is. So your strength, your obstacle, and your outcome. Okay, so group 3, your strength is the fact that you have very, very clear thinking. The King of Swords is a man who is very fair. He is very clear in his head, and he gets all the facts before making a decision. Also, all of his decisions are based on logic rather than emotion. So this might be who you are as a person, or this is how you're looking at the situation. You're looking at it with a lot of logic. You're listening to the mind over the heart, and that is your strength in this current situation. And also, whatever conclusions you're coming to are the right ones. In case this has to do, in case you're looking at if you should go in for a surgery, then it means that you have the right doctor for the case. And if this is maybe a legal issue, then you have the right lawyer. In whatever your situation is, clear thinking and logic is your strength. What is blocking you right now is the fact that there's a lot of fights, maybe there are 5 people in the situation and everyone is at an equal level. Nobody's doing better than the others, but essentially this card talks about a lot of conflict. If you are thinking about starting a new business and this has to do with 5 people, then that is the problem. Maybe this is not moving ahead because it's not supposed to be 5 people on this project. Maybe it's supposed to be 4, maybe, but not 5 for sure. So either just a lot of fighting, not going anywhere, not coming to any conclusions, or just the number of just the fact that it's 5 people in the situation is what is stopping whatever the situation is to kind of move forward. But your outcome is a very, very positive card. So this looks like a yes after a certain amount of effort from your side and a lot of waiting, because the 8 of Wands talks about a lot of sudden movement. All the work that has been pending or not moving for some time is going to now start moving in the direction you've been wanting to. You're going to reap the benefits and the fruits of all your labor and all your patience and all your effort, which I can see because the King of Swords is a very patient man. So you have definitely been holding on to or working on whatever this thing is for some time now. And soon enough, you are going to start seeing this move in the direction that you kind of want to. So congratulations if these are great cards, obviously, to have. But I would also like to mention at this point that these are minor arcana energy. So these would mean that this is exactly what you are making the situation to be. None of this is very destined. So it all has to do with how clear your head is about it, and the fact that I really ask you to continue making these decisions with your head rather than your heart. And I think it all looks good as of now. So I hope you guys have a great week ahead. If you'd like to set up a personal reading, I'd be happy to. And I will see you guys in the next pick a card reading. And if there's any issues that you'd like me to specifically look into or make a video about, please feel free to let me know in the comments. Have a great week, you guys. Bye.